When you want to create variables, the first thing you have to ask yourself is what kind of data is the variable going to hold? Let's take a look here. If your variable is going to hold numbers, okay, you have a choice between a whole number or a decimal point number. If it's a whole number, you can create a variable of type short or a variable of type int. If it's a decimal point, you can create a variable of type float or a variable of type double. If it's just one single character, you can create a variable of type char. If you're going to create a variable that's going to hold an entire name, you can create a character array like char name bracket 30 close bracket semicolon. That'll hold a name up to 29 characters long. Or you can create string name. That'll hold a variable of type string. I would suggest creating the string name. That's a much more powerful tool. If you use the string name, you're also going to have to pound include less than string greater than up top at your program. Now, just for a second, what I want to talk about is when you create a whole number, you have an int or a shart. A shart is only 2 bytes big in RAM, where an int is 4 bytes big in RAM. Well, what's that mean? The range of a shart is from minus 32,768 through 0 to positive 32,767. So if the possible values fit in there, use a shart. If your possible values are larger than that, okay, go ahead and use an int. If it's a decimal point, a float is 4 bytes big and a double is 8 bytes big. What's that mean? It means if you have a number like a baseball batting average with 3 decimal points, you know, 0.216, go ahead and use a float. If you have something that with a lot of precision like 126.7346819216, a lot of precision, go ahead and use a double.